Hello and welcome students to my channel. In today's lecture, I am going to explain you how to write a simple structure program in C programming. So let's open Turbo C++ and then start our coding for the basic structure program. Okay, so this is the first ever simple program that we can do for the structure implementation. Okay, now I will just erase this content and let's clear this content. I will write a fresh program. Okay, now while doing this particular type of program, we are going to write header file first. Okay, then the second header file I'm going to write hash include bonio.h. Then I will use a struct keyword. See, without struct keyword, you cannot declare the structure. Now, if I write the structure name as book, then basically this is called as a name of structure. This is the keyword. Then this is the book name, that is the structure name. We can call it as tag. Okay, then within this curly brackets, you are going to declare member variables. Now, who are the member variables? They can be declared variables with different data types also can be collected together under one name as book. So structure gives us facility that we can collect different data type variables and they cannot be initialized while they are declared inside the structure. Please remember this line, and this will be a better kind of opportunity for you to learn as per the theory explanation of structure that is required. So I will take one variable right now as age. Okay, sorry. So one variable I'm taking as age, and other variable I'm taking as rank. Okay. So here, if you consider this program, there are two member variables we have. Okay, so you can term this variable over there inside this particular structure is called as member variables. Now, though you have declared member variables, but you cannot initialize the value. I will show you practically why it is going to happen. But when you are going to provide some values, like if you want to access or if you want to provide some initialization, then you need to create first structure variable. So how to create a structure variable? So again, you are going to write struct as a keyword, same till this declaration of structure, the same thing like this, and then you are going to create any particular structure variable. Now you can see C1 is the name given by me, and this C1 is nothing but your structure variable. So through this C1, I can assign value for age, I can assign value for rank, and then I will print them using C1. So dot operator is required. Okay, so I will write like this: C1 dot first is age. So I'm going to write age. I am assign some values. Then C1 dot rank, then I will assign some value, and let's print them using printf. Your age is percent %d because it is an integer. Okay, so the format specifier is percent %d till now, and we are going to write like the c1 dot age. That's the first one, and then we have printf enter your rank, or your rank is the statement that you make. It's fine that can make a statement like your rank is percent %d. Again, it's an integer data type, so I'm taking format specifier as percent %d, and c1 dot rank I will write here. Okay, then I will have a get ch, and then I will complete the program. So let's execute this program and let us check that validity also, whether if I assign some value here inside the declaration, it will give some message or error or not. That we are going to check it. So first of all, I will run this file And you can see here both the values are got access, like your age is 45 and your rank is 1. That means for a structure declaration, struct keyword is required, then the structure name is required. Structure name is also called as tag. Then you have member variables. Whatever you are declaring, variables you are declaring inside structure is a struct member variable. And if you want to access this, you cannot initialize them at the declaration. So you can initialize them here with respect to the structure variable. So C1 is a structure variable, age and ranks to be considered as the member variables. So structure consists of different variables, member variables under one name. So book is a particular name or a single unit you can say, which is going to collect different types of member variables. So this is an easy program that I want to provide you with your understanding that this is one of the way to write the structure program in easy way out. Okay, so I hope this particular program you have understood, and please try such type of programs with a practicing level, because it's highly appreciated if you are able to write the code, if you are able to type the code and execute the code. So whenever you are going for the coding concern, it's more important that how you know the structures, how programming observations you have, and how you are putting your theory verification into the coding part. So that is one of the important steps. So thank you, students. Thank you for watching this particular video. Such type of videos I am going to create for you, and keep learning. Thank you.